Hello, my friends. I have something kind of special to show you today. Today I am sitting at the Voice Gallery in Santa Barbara, where I have 5 pieces of my work. Let's see. Let me switch this around and bring you in for a lovely tour of this amazing gallery. I was recently juried in to the Abstract Art Collective here in Santa Barbara, and this is their spring show. I think there's probably 60 pieces in here, and you can see 2 of mine right there on either side of that large one. I'm just going to walk you around the whole place. Some really big, splashy abstracts here. I believe I am the only fluid artist in the group, so I was quite honored and happy that they found fluid art acceptable in a gallery setting like this. And take a look at this one, that's one of mine, and I got an award, honorary mention. So I was pretty thrilled about that. Here's a wonderful sculpture by the president of the Abstract Art Collective. I really like this piece a lot. She won Best in Show. I'll show you that piece when we get over there. That's a big one. I've met some really nice people. There's another one from, can't think of her name. Carrie, her name is Carrie Smith. And that's another one by Wendy Fisher, who did the other large one I just showed you. And there's a glance at the rest of the room. I'm not an expert by any means in abstract art, so I'm not going to critique or comment because I don't know enough about it to say, but I can appreciate the pieces and the work that goes into them. Hello. I really like this one, even though it's heavily in the pink. It's also in the oranges, and I think that is quite striking. And oh, look at that. I think that's a Chris Jessic. Let's check it out. Ta-da! This one won an award for most creative, I think, first place. There were 3 awards: Best of Show, First Place, and Honorable Mention. And I got one, and I was pretty pleased with that out of all these entries. I like this one too because it looks like a landscape, and yet it's abstract. That's lovely. Some photography. I like this piece a lot. I met the artist. She's a lovely young lady, mother of 3 young kids. I don't know how she has time to create, but she does a beautiful job. Look at the glow of that orange. Just love that. And this one I find very interesting. There's a lot of texture on it. We just opened, so there haven't been any visitors yet, so I thought I could quickly get this video made for you. Look at that. Wow, that makes me a little dizzy. I love this one. Big, splashy, colorful painting. It's got some shapes and figures in there you can recognize. That's nice. That one is like a satellite view. No expiration date on art. Oh, looky here. There's another Chris Jessic. I have 5 pieces in here. They were juried in, which amazed me that they accepted all 5 of them. But glad they did. Here is the best of show. Isn't that beautiful? I was listening to her explain her process. It's quite fascinating, all the steps that go into that. This is kind of a woven piece. Interesting. I love the color palette there. The blue one on top is photography. Collage. That's some kind of a print. Monoprint. And this is photography. Firework, it's called. I like this one as well. I like a lot of them. Softly Sunset. Isn't that pretty? And this one I find fascinating. Waves to Go. And I see he's signed it both at the what we see as the bottom and up there, so it could be hung vertically or horizontally as well. Anyway, it's a beautiful day here in Santa Barbara, and I thought you might enjoy seeing where I am today. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.